How to travel cheap in 2024. Greetings, fellow travelers. Today we are delving deep into the world of budget travel in 2024. Whether you are a seasoned globe-trotter or someone itching to embark on their first adventure, this video is your passport to affordable wanderlust. So buckle up, because we have got a treasure trove of tips and tricks to make your travel dreams a reality without sending your bank account into a frenzy. Let's jump right in. Now let's kick things off with one of the most crucial aspects of travel: transportation. The year 2024 has ushered in a new era of possibilities, especially when it comes to snagging affordable flights. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of finding those budget-friendly flights. Ditch the big airlines and explore budget carriers, regional options, and even last-minute deals. Tools like Google Flights, Skyscanner, and Hopper can be your secret weapons. Be open to alternative destinations and travel dates. Sometimes shifting your plans a few days can mean massive savings. Consider shoulder seasons over peak periods for better deals. Skip expensive taxis and embrace public transportation, trains, ferries, or even hitchhiking with safety precaution. Of course, sharing rides on apps like BlaBlaCar can be fun and affordable. Consider the alternative travel methods like cycling, volunteering with transportation inclusive programs, or even house sitting to score free accommodation. And explore a place like a true local. With transportation being sorted, let's turn our attention to the next significant expense: accommodation. Forget the conventional hotels. In 2024, we have a plethora of alternatives that not only save you money, but also offer unique and memorable experiences. Now let's strategically navigate the world of accommodation. Modern hostels offer private rooms, social events, and local insights, often at a fraction of the hotel price. Plus, you will meet fellow travelers and share travel tips. Immerse yourself in local culture with homestays or guest houses. Get insider recommendations, delicious home-cooked meals, and a unique cultural experience. Explore house-sitting platforms like trusted house sitters, couch surfing, or pet sitting opportunities. Not only do you save on accommodation, but you get to care for adorable animals and potentially have a home away from home. Embrace the outdoors. National parks, campsites, and even van life can be affordable and adventurous way to explore nature's beauty. Now let's talk about a fundamental aspect of any journey: indulging in the local cuisine. While dining out every day can be a tempting prospect, it can also be a significant drain on your budget too. Skip overpriced restaurants and venture into local markets, food stalls, and street vendors. You will get authentic flavors, support local businesses, and save a ton. Cook your own meals in hotels or hostels, homestays, or campsites. Explore local markets for fresh ingredients and enjoy unique cultural dishes. Consider volunteering at farms, community kitchens, or woofing programs in exchange for meals and accommodation. It's a win-win. Organize potlucks with fellow travelers or organize local cooking classes. It's a fun, social, and budget-friendly way to experience local cuisine. Now adventure is complete without a repertoire of activities. And the good news is, you don't have to spend a fortune to have a good time. We will explore a world of free and low cost activities that enrich your travel experience. Many cities offer free walking tours, museums with free entry days, parks, cultural events, and outdoor activities. Do your research and plan accordingly. Ask locals for their hidden gem recommendations, secret viewpoints, unique cafes, or lesser known historical sites. Often, the best experiences are free. Volunteering allows you to contribute to a local cause while exploring a new place and meeting amazing people. Many organizations offer free accommodations and meals in exchange for your time. Look for free or budget-friendly workshops, language exchanges, or cultural events to connect with locals and learn new skills. And there you have it, a detailed roadmap on how to travel cheap in 2024 by mastering transportation hacks, strategically selecting affordable accommodation, indulging in local cuisines without breaking the bank, and exploring a world of free and low-cost activities. You are well on your way to a budget-friendly adventure. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more in-depth travel tips and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future explorations. Safe travels, fellow adventurers. Until next time, stay curious, keep exploring, and make every journey count.